Okay, everyone, let's work together to figure this out. The yellow crewmate has completed 4,564 tasks. The purple crewmate has completed 1,222 more tasks than the yellow crewmate. The pink crewmate has completed 1,333 more tasks than the purple mate. How many total tasks were completed? Okay, this is quite a doozy. There's a lot of stuff going on here, so let's try to see if we can get this done. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I have my read, draw, write method. Okay, I read my problem, so now I'm going to draw some of my tape diagrams. Here is my yellow crewmate. I know how many tasks he's completed because I have the yellow crewmate has completed this many. So I indicated that in my tape diagram. The purple crewmate has completed 1,222 more tasks than the yellow crewmate. Okay, this makes sense because what is missing here when you combine the totals is going to give me the total of my purple crewmate. And that should be a larger tape diagram. Well, let's stop there before we continue because we know based on this that since the purple crewmate completed 1,222 more, we need to add in order to find out what the purple crewmate has completed. So I'm going to take my 4,564 and I'm going to add it to my 1,222. And I'm going to make sure my place values line up nicely so I don't make any simple math errors. You always start with your smallest place value, so I'm going to start with my ones. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. I'm going to go to my hundreds place. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then I go to my thousands. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so that shows me that the purple crewmate has completed 5,786 tasks. Okay, very good. Okay, let's continue to read our problem. Just like in our read, draw, write method, you're going to read your problem over and over again. The pink crewmate has completed 1,333 more tasks than the purple crewmate. Okay, so again, this is where this is missing in my tape diagram. This is the pink crewmate. So what that means is now I have to take the total from my purple crewmate and add it. And I know that because it says the pink crewmate completed 1,333 more tasks than the purple crewmate. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add that up. I'm going to take my 1,333. Again, making sure I have a nice spot for all my place values. 6 plus 3 is 9. I go to my tens place. 8 plus 3 is 11. Good job. So my 1 goes in my tens place and I'm going to bundle and carry over to my hundreds, my group of 10. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 3 is 11. I'm going to bundle again, carry that group of 10 over to my thousands. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So that's going to give me a total of 7,119. This is, friends, why I absolutely love tape diagrams, and I'm going to show you in this next sentence specifically. Okay, I drew my problem. I'm going to reread it one more time. The yellow crewmate has completed 4,564 tasks. The purple crewmate has completed 1,222 more tasks than the yellow crewmate, which is what we have. The pink crewmate has completed 1,333 more tasks than the purple crewmate. Oh, friends, how many total tasks were completed? Okay, this is why I love a good tape diagram because this would be hard to kind of identify what my totals were. But my totals are nice and organized in my tape diagram, friends. So now I know that I need to add 4,564. Well, what else do I need to add it to? My 5,786. And what else do I need to add that to? Oh, my 7,119. That's a lot of numbers, friends. So hopefully we can break this down because, whew, this one is quite a doozy. I'm going to actually move my read, draw, write just for now so I have enough space to make sure I can complete this whole problem, okay? All right, friends, let's get started. So I'm going to start by taking my 2 larger tasks first, and I'm only going to complete these 2 first. And the reason I'm doing that is because these are a lot of numbers, friends. So I'm going to start with my largest 2 numbers, and I'm going to add those first because I know that I need the total. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to add this plus my 5,786. And I'm going to add that together, okay? So again, making sure I have enough space to complete my work, making sure I have enough things in areas to finish. Okay, so I start with my ones place. What is 9 plus 6? Oh, it's 15. So my 5 stays in my ones place and my 10 gets bundled and moves into my tens place. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. Okay, so I'm going to put my 0 in my tens place and bundle into my hundreds. Group and carry. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Okay, excellent. Now I'm going to do my thousands place. 7 plus 5 is 12. So I'm going to take my 2, carry my 1, which has nothing to add it to. So my answer is 12,905. Ooh, these are some big numbers, friends. Big, big, big numbers. So now what we get to do is we still are not done. Nope, you are not done with this. And why is that? Because you need to now be adding. I'm going to move myself here to help give me some more space. We are going to now, friends, be adding our 4,564. So I'll give you a second to set that up. You're going to add your 12,905 to your 4,564. Okay, start with my ones place. 5 plus 4 is 9. In my tens place, 6 plus nothing is 6. In my hundreds place, 9 plus 5 is 14. I'm going to carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 4 more is 7. I'm going to put my comma, and oop, I have nothing left. So I have 17,469. Whew, that was a doozy, friends, but great job following along and keep it up.